Hi guys, how can you create the upscale image effect in Photoshop? Press Ctrl-J to create a copy of your image. Go to Filter Other High Pass. Set the radius to 6.6. Click OK. Go to the blending mode of this layer and select Vivid Light. Create 3 more copies of this layer. Ctrl-J-X3. Now you should have 4 high-pass layers in total. Hold the Shift key and select all 4 high-pass layers. Right-click Merge Layers. Change the Merged Layers blending mode to Soft Light. Lower the opacity to around 58%. Adjust as needed. That's it. You'll see a clear before and after difference, giving your image a sharper and more detailed upscale look without ruining quality.